What's the meaning of autowind? Autowind. Autowind.
Autowind. Autowind. The term autowind typically refers to a feature found in mechanical watches that allows the watch to be automatically wound by the natural motion of the wearer's arm. As the wearer moves, the rotor inside the watch rotates and winds the mainspring, which powers the watch's movement. This feature eliminates the need for manual winding and ensures that the watch remains powered as long as it is worn regularly. Overall, autowind simplifies the maintenance of mechanical watches and provides convenience for the wearer.